Welcome to our luxury leather factory. Today, you'll discover how premium leather is transformed into an elegant python pattern luxury belt.
Advanced embossing technology recreates the distinctive appearance of python scales while using premium leather. Robotic systems apply dyes and finishes that enhance the embossed scale pattern with realistic depth and luxurious color variation. Each belt combines expert craftsmanship with premium materials for exceptional durability and style.
Make sure that pallet is secure for shipment. Will do. Heading to the bay now.
And that's how premium leather becomes a luxury python pattern belt, from carefully selected leather to a beautifully finished accessory. Thanks for joining our factory tour.